Hi everyone!
Hi everyone, we're going to Waffle Park.
Hello guys, welcome to the Jam
Some family.
Family.
Some family.
Yay! So what is this video is gonna be about? We're gonna be going to
We're going to be going.
Riverbend. We're gonna go to the Riverbend now. Stay tuned.
So we're going over there.
Okay, let's go.
I want to open that.
So yep guys. Yep.
I don't know who's that.
Alright. You gotta take us there, Anna.
It's out there.
Alright. Yep, so he's really excited guys, and he really want to get out for a little bit, so I'm gonna let him get out for only a little bit guys. It's really hot here. It's super hot over here guys, like ang init-init. I can't help it. Siya ang pabebe, kahit pabebe muna tayo, pabebe. So, yep, so we're actually walking papunta sa ilog, river. Yep. Yeah, it's super hot guys, but man, anything for my son Adam. Whether it's hot, whether it's cold. We'll move the mountain for our children. Yep.
Well, hello everyone.
Where are we, Adam?
And the sand Barato.
Ooh, we're in the sun by the river. Yeah. Okay, Adam, go take us there. Let's go leave our shoes over here, Anna. Let's leave our shoes. Oh my goodness. Our shoes is gonna be dirty. The sun is hot. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I have to wear my shoes.
I don't need to. Wow.
Yeah, that hurt. But Adam, so let's go, Adam. Here we go guys. I'm gonna be following Adam. I'm going to the water. Yeah, so at least he will be happy. I know Mommy and Daddy promised him about going to the water, so I gotta take care. I gotta take him. Sobrang init ngayon guys. Sobrang init. Yep, ang init-init po guys. Pero finally guys, we're here by the water, you know. Guys, finally we're in the water.
Mommy, can you hold this and hold that?
No, Mommy will only hold this one. Guys, we're here.
Well, everyone.
Here we go guys, we're here. Let me show you guys a little bit where we at. This is here in Riverbend in Oregon, California. Yeah, a lot of people riding this, you know, like floating. It's perfect time to do floating, you know, when you ride a tubing. Yeah, and here we go, and there's other people also. They're spending time with the family. Even though it's 100 degrees, kainit, super hot guys, super hot. Super hot. Okay, what do you want to do?
Open it.
Whoosh. Not opening, baby. Here we go, guys. So Adam will be putting some water. Adam, what is that again? I don't know kung ano sabi niya, pero what is that again, Adam? Is that a Chinese? What is it in English? Yeah. Ayan, here we go. Okay, show me. Wow, that's pretty cool. This is so much fun. The water is actually cold. Adam, is it the water cold?
Yeah.
Do you like the water? Wow, the water actually pretty nice, guys, when you're finally in the water. But when you're in the sun is pretty hot. So here we go, guys. Ang lamig-lamig ng tubig. It's so nice. I feel like I will go swim. Pero wala akong dalang damit, char. So hindi ko pwede maligo. So, Adam, come here. What do you want to tell to our friends? You want to tell them anything to your friends? Can you tell them? We want to talk to you. What do you want to tell them?
I want to watch the arm.
Yeah. So, the water is cold. Oh my goodness. Parang hindi mo maintindihan yung paa ko talaga, guys. Pero it's so much fun, guys. Na in simple things like this, even though how hot the weather is, when you promise something to your children, we better do so because para hindi magtampo yung anak natin. Because we told him today, we're gonna try to make a vlog as a family, but we couldn't be able to do it. But I realized it was super hot, as in more than 100 degrees. So sabi ko kay Adam, Nak, we can go Riverbend. But he was already ready to go. Look at his outfit. Here we go, guys. Look at his outfit. He was ready to go swimming and play in the water. So I finally took him here. Yeah. Anam, are you happy?
Yeah. I'm happy.
Good. Yeah. He was happy though, guys. Yeah. He's filling up his water. Yeah, the water is really good. It's nice. It's nice better if I go swim. But I didn't have anything. Mommy didn't bring anything, so I can't swim. So it's a very beautiful day outside, guys. Super init. Super init. Yeah, nakinit-init. Yeah. Let me show you guys more of where I'm at right now. Here we go, guys. This is called our Riverbend. It's so amazing. Dati nag-tubing kami dito, guys. Yung sumakay kami sa ganyan. Doon. Yung ganyan, nakasakay kami dati. So much fun. Yeah, I love it. It's so beautiful. Malamig yung tubig. Water is cold. Yan. So, Daddy and baby Sarada right now is at home. So, I only go with Adam. Daddy dropped me off. Yep, because we didn't want to break Adam's heart. We promised him we're going to take him here so he can get to play. I'm here lang po, guys. It's been a while, guys. Usually when I was pregnant with Sarada, we always come over here. This is where I go for walking, for hiking. Basically my exercise when I was pregnant is just walking. Yep, and going to the stores. I didn't really do a lot of really strong exercise. I only do more like walking, and I also did squat. I only dance a little bit, you know, but it's pretty exciting. Now Sarada is born. We are so blessed. Yep. So everybody is just swimming and enjoy the cold water. But when you're out there, it's really cold. But when you feel the water, you can feel it like it balance your body. You know, it makes you wanna dance. Yeah. Yep. So many people right now, guys. So I'll be taking Adam here for 20 minutes. So I told Daddy I'll be gone for 20 minutes with Adam, so he's gonna be picking me up by then. Yep. Yeah, and it's so hot right now, guys. But tingnan nyo. Yeah. So beautiful. And then you can get one over there. Super nice, super nice. And then, whoa! What are you doing? Okay, show me. Yep, so we're just gonna be hanging out here for 20 minutes, guys. Time is running. Yeah, I can imagine, guys. Adam now, dang, he's 4 years old and he's going to be 5 years old on November 23. So we're very excited for his birthday. He's getting big. Time flies, so we gotta enjoy our children while they're young. They're really cute when they're young. Char. I'm just kidding. My baby boy is really handsome. He's not cute. He's handsome. Adam, show me, what are you doing?
I'm making the water down the bed.
Okay, can I see?
Not yet, because it's not done.
Not yet. Not yet.
It's done now.
Oh, he's liking it. Whoa! Ooh, that's so much fun. Oh, Adam, you should cover yourself with the sun. You wanna cover yourself with the sun? I wish Daddy is over here, huh? Do you want Daddy to be here? I wish Daddy to be here in Sarada. Don't worry, when Sarada get bigger, we're gonna take care here. Do you like that? Yeah, someday we're gonna go to we're gonna go together. Whoa! Yeah, it's super nice, super calm, it's quiet, it's very beautiful, it's so relaxing, it's just nice to do things together as a family. And I just thought to, that you go with me for this vlog with Adam. You can see what he does in the water every time we go. Whoa! He's so happy. I don't know, he's just so happy. Are you happy? Can you smile at them? Oh. Oh. Can you dance? My baby is a joker. He's a silly baby. Before, he's my baby, now he's my big boy. He's my big boy. What did you find?
It's new.
What is that?
It's new.
Oh wow, you even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. Oh really? Can I eat that? Oh no.
No, because it's not food.
Oh, it's not food? Is that for the fish?
It's not like it was a sauce.
Okay, oh wow, okay. I guess I'm not gonna eat that. I'm just gonna eat the spaghetti that Daddy made today.
What?
Are you hungry?
No, we can't eat.
Okay. Yan, guys. Yan, guys. Walang katapusan. Nadaldalan tayo ngayon, guys. Yep, it's so beautiful day today. Just the weather alone is super hot. But spending time with Adam. Especially he's been at home. He's been playing with his daddy and mommy. Children needs to be out there, but right now it's super hot. We don't usually take him out Before we do almost every day, but now we don't do that because I just had a baby and it's safer at home. Yeah, but today I just, we just thought take Adam to the river and let him play. Yeah, we take him here so he can play, he can be creative, he can be himself. Ayan. Wow, what are you doing, Adam?
I'm putting sand in the water.
Wow. Do you want me to put a sun on you?
What?
Do you want me to put a sun on you? Like what we did to Daddy last time?
How?
I'll get the sun, I'll put it in you. Do you want to do that?
Just like 1, 2, 3, that side.
Yeah, you want me to do it to you? Okay, let's do it. So here we go, guys. We're gonna put the sun to Adam. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. You gotta help me. We're gonna show it to Daddy. Oh, you wanna show it to Daddy?
Yeah.
You gotta show it to Daddy. Man, it's gonna be hard, but we can do it. Come on, Adam. Yan. Ayan. Go put more. So let me put this to Adam. Here we go. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. It's done. Adam, look at him. Look at him.
He gets so bright
The sun.
from the sun.
Oh my goodness. Yep. Look at him, guys. That's cute. Ayan. You like it? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Daddy's gonna love this. We're gonna show it to Daddy, huh?
That is sweet time talking Petra.
Yeah. Oh, you know, right? I'll take a picture of you. It is, huh? Where's your feet, Adam? Where's your feet? I can't tell. That's his feet. Oh my goodness. Where's your legs? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was so funny. Oh, wow, that is cool, Adam. I like that.
You put a lot of sand.
Wow, that's fun.
That's one sand, but nobody put sand.
Which one?
That one.
Wow, that's super hot. That's enjoyable. Pinagpawisan ako dun. It's not that easy maglubong. I'm just kidding. Ang hirap-hirap palang maglubong-lubungan. Char. Yan. Ayan, guys. Super hot. I can feel it how hot right now. So we're still here in this river. River. Oh yes, so this place is a riverbend. That's what Adam said. It's not a river. It's a riverbend. That's the name of the place. Yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
I love you guys.
Oh, I love you though, guys. Adam said, I love you guys. Yeah. Okay, what are you doing now, Adam?
I'm gonna put a sand there.
Okay, are you gonna building a castle?
No,
What are you gonna do?
I'm making a bow.
Okay, let me see.
Sorry?
Yeah, he just called me silly. Silly? Is it mommy silly, Adam?
Yeah, I'm making a sea.
Okay, I wanna see. Show them how to. Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome, Adam. I love that. Wow, that's so fun. It is so much fun.
Yeah.
I know, right?
I'll put that way. He's coming here.
Go do it there. Go do it there.
Mom, can I try to get out?
Whoa. Oh, that's so adorable. Yeah, it's getting so hot now, guys. So we're gonna be about to go home now. I just got done calling Daddy, so Daddy should be on the way soon. So, ang init is super hot, and I even forget to bring water. So, it's so nice, so beautiful. It's nice to get out sometime. It's super nice to get out. Oops, oops, oops. I can feel the water. Super cold. I love the water. Super cold. Super nice. I love it. This is super nice. Super. The water is super cold. I love it. I love it. What? What happened? Oh, oh, you see some dragonfly? Don't catch it. Wow, super hot now, guys. Nak, are we ready to go home now? Are you happy now? It's time to go home.
No.
Your sister is waiting. We're gonna come back here again next time, okay?
No.
Okay, Anak? I'm hungry too. Okay, let's go bye-bye to them. We gotta go now. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching us. Swipe it like a swipe.
That's right. Please click like and subscribe. Yeah.
Love you guys.
Mwah.
Mwah.